We live in a world where innovation is the new goal driving progress. But are you still relying on outdated spreadsheets and manual workflows that cost time, energy, and accuracy, and ultimately impact your bottom line? It's time to embrace a game-changing solution that perfectly syncs marketing, sales, and project management. No more juggling between multiple tools and manually managing projects, clients, and marketing campaigns. Introducing a powerful duo, HubSpot and Monday.com integration, to deliver a new level of productivity and business transformation. With HubSpot's marketing mastery and Monday.com's project management excellence, you can unlock the future of work and achieve more with just a few clicks. HubSpot plus Monday.com integration empowers your team to foster collaboration between sales and marketing, ensuring everyone stays aligned. Instantly identify what's working and where improvements are needed. Manage everything from email marketing to Google Ads in one dashboard. Estimate future costs and track ROI on marketing campaigns. Plan, track, and execute campaigns visually. Sync contacts automatically, saving hours of manual data entry. Set up automated alerts and client requests. Did you know that, according to Finances Online, 23% of businesses rely on project management software to boost efficiency? Integrating with HubSpot is your go-to solution for all your digital marketing, CRM, and people management needs. With this powerful combination, you don't just gain tools and automation to succeed, you achieve real-time visibility for managing projects, tracking leads, and automating campaigns. When these tools work together, your team experiences a dramatic boost in productivity, efficiency, and coordination. Let's take a look at the steps to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. Step 1. On Monday.com, click on Integration. Step 2. In the search box, type HubSpot and click on HubSpot. Step 3. Select the option and click on Add to Board. Step 4. Click on Connect. Step 5. Select your HubSpot account and click on Choose Account. Step 6. Click on Checkbox and click on Connect App. Step 7. To map the fields, click on Item. Step 8. Map the fields and click on Done. Step 9. Click on Add to Board. Step 10. Create a contact in your HubSpot account. Step 11. Contact will show on Monday.com. Moving on to the real-life success story. A leading tech solutions provider in the US faced siloed data and communication challenges. We, as a leading CRM integration specialist, helped them with our expertise and support in integrating HubSpot CRM with Monday.com, and they achieved amazing results. 47% increase in lead conversions, 64% rise in customer satisfaction, 40% reduction in project management time. By syncing their marketing, sales, and project management, they achieved smoother operations and stronger client relationships. Do you want to step into the modern world and work smarter, not harder? With HubSpot, Monday.com, and Cloud Analogy's best-in-class CRM integration, you can unlock productivity, automate workflows, and achieve your business goals. Don't just take our word for it. Book a meeting with our experts today to discover how HubSpot plus Monday.com work together to scale and transform your business.